Every SuperTrapp fiberglass packed muffler is completely rebuildable. How long your packing will last is dependent upon a number of things: the type of riding you do, your environment, and state of tune on the motorcycle. All mufflers will have set screws in the base of them. Remove those screws. Once those screws are out, the core is now free to come out. With time, however, sometimes the core can become stuck inside the muffler body. Sometimes use of a wooden dowel or possibly a broom handle can help get the core out. Slide it up the back of the core and gently tap the muffler core out. The core will slide out easily. This is what a typical muffler core will look like when it's freshly packed. Notice we use a wrapping of masking tape to help hold the fiberglass packing onto the muffler body. When repacking a muffler, lay your new fiberglass out. Take the core and wrap it snugly with the new fiberglass. Not too tight, but not too loose either. Use masking tape to secure the fiberglass packing onto the core. The masking tape will help hold the packing onto the core while you slide it back into the muffler body. Don't worry, the masking tape will burn off within the first few hundred miles. Take your freshly packed core and slide it back into your muffler body, making sure that all the fiberglass stays nicely tight and packed inside. You'll pack it in till the holes line up on the muffler body. Reinstall the screws to secure the core into the muffler body. Now you're ready to reinstall your freshly packed SuperTrapp muffler onto your motorcycle. Ride safe.